polymorphism just means many shapeism.
Yes. Polymorphism is a concept that is incredibly, ridiculously, stupidly important for doing object-oriented designs. And what it means is that one type, the type of the variable does not indicate the type of the object. So for example, we have a list of persons, called people, but the objects we can stuff in this list can be anything that inherits from person. So as a result, we can have many, many diverse types of people inside of this people list, but they're all persons ultimately. Polymorphism is the idea that you can have two similar looking variables, two similarly looking objects that actually perform very different things. It means they have many forms.